Okay, for this first equation, I see that there are two x's on each side that I can remove. If I take away two x's on the left side, I'm only going to have 2x plus 11. And then if I take away two x's from the right side, there will just be 13. Now I can see also that I could remove 11 from both sides, and I have 2x, just 2x, and then if I take away 11 from the right side, I'll only have 2. And if I think of 2 times what number equals 2, it looks like the number is equal to 1. And then I just check to see if this is correct. I'll see if 4 times 1 plus 11, is that really the same thing as 2 times 1 plus 13? And so 4 times 1 plus 11 is 15. And then 2 times 1 plus 13 is also 15 on this side, so yes, it's equal. So that looks like the correct answer. Alright, for number 2, looks like I can take away 3 x's from both sides, and I'll be left with 20 equals 5x plus 5. Take away 5 from both sides, and be left with 15 equals 5x. And I think 5 times what equals 15? That's 3, so I'll put the x equals 3. And then to check that out, I'll see if 3 times 3 plus 20 is actually the same thing. So question mark, is that the same thing as 8 times 3 plus 5? So I get 9 plus 20 is 29. On this side, 24 plus 5 is 29. Yep, those are equal, so it looks like I have the right answer. Alright, on to number 3. Okay, so I'll take away an x from both sides. 6 looks like 6x plus 6 equals 72. Take away 6 from both sides. 6x equals 66. Looks like x is 11 because 6 times 11 equals 66. Just to check that, I'll plug in the x equals 11. So 7 times 11 plus 6. Let's see, does that equal 11 plus 72? Well, I get 83 on this side. And on this side, 77 plus 6 is also 83. So, yep, those are equal. Okay, on to number 4. I get that, take away an x from both sides, so 65 equals 9x plus 29. Take away 29 from both sides, and I'll just have 9x left on this side. And let me see, I don't know if I can, so let me just write this. Minus 29, what do I get there? 6 and a 3, so 36 equals 9, and I know that if x is 4, 9 times 4 would equal 36. Let's check this out. 4 plus 65, and then on the other side, see if that's the same thing as 10 times 4 plus 29. Well, 10 times 4 is 40, so this side adds up to 69, and so does this side. It's not good. For number 5, I'll take away 5 x's from both sides, and I will have 50x plus 31 on this side, and then 31 on this side. Now I'll take away 31 from both sides, and I'll have 50x equals 0. Well, 50 times what equals 0? Must be 0, so x equals 0. Let's check this out to see if it works. 55 times 0 plus 31, is that the same as 5 times 0 plus 31? It is, because I get 31 on both sides, so that's equal. Okay, to number 6, get, take away 91 x's from both sides, and I'll just be left with 9x on the left side, and only 10 on this side. Then I'll take away 1 from both sides, and I'll get 9x equals 9. So it looks like x is 1, because 9 times 1 equals 9. And to check that out, I'll have 100 times 1 plus 1, and see if that equals 91 times 1 plus 10. And it looks like they're 101 on both sides. Alright, now to number 7. Okay, so we're going to draw a picture like in hands-on equations with a scale and pieces that represent this equation. So let me draw the scale first. So here's the scale, and then there's a scale, then something like that. And so 2x's, so I'll just do these triangles for x's. 2x's plus a block that weighs 21. And then 3x's plus a block that weighs 17. Then I need to solve that equation. So I see that I can solve it by taking 2x's away from both sides, which would just leave me with 21 equals x plus 17. And then if I take away 4 from both sides, sorry, not 4, 17 from both sides, I'll get 4 equals x. Let's check to see if that actually works. 2 times 4 plus 21. Let's see, is that the same thing as, so question mark, is that the same thing as 3 times 4 plus 17? And I get 8 plus 21 is 29, and 12 plus 17 is 29. Yeah, so that looks right. So looks like x does equal 4.